Good morning, first grade. Happy Friday. Today is Friday, October 30th, 2020. It is the 42nd day of school, and your special today is Maker at 11:45. All right, before we go over our schedule for today, if you'd like to join me for the Pledge of Allegiance. There's the flag, and I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay. All right, so the plan for today, coming out first thing this morning, there will be a math application problem and a short wit and wisdom deep dive Frayer model activity. So hopefully it won't take too long for you. And then there will also be 3 totally optional Halloween type harvest fall activities if you would like to check those out. So you could do one of them, both of them, or one of them, all of them, 2 of them, none of them. It's up to you. And I'll send a read aloud this morning too with one of my favorite fall books. But that's all optional. But if you want to check those out, feel free. The 3 holiday activities. Then we will meet at 10 for our live class. And because of the virtual party in the afternoon, we just decided to shift math to the morning, and then we just won't have reading in a live class today. So we'll have math in the morning. So if you could just bring your math workbooks, your normal math materials, dry erase sleeve and marker if you have it. And we'll have math this morning. And then at 1, we'll have our virtual Halloween party, harvest party. And like I've been mentioning all week, if you'd like to participate in the costume dress up and the guessing game, if you want to get your costume on, and then when you join the call, just turn your camera off right away so that we can't see your costume at first. And then we can take turns giving clues and seeing if the other kids in the class, the classmates can guess what costume you are wearing. Okay. If you don't want to do that, if you don't want to dress up or you don't want to, that's fine. You could just kind of try to guess everybody else's and whatever you want to do. And then if you could also just bring a blank piece of paper, we're going to try to do one of those fun directed drawings together. So I'll do it with you and we'll follow along and try to create, a cool Halloween picture. And we'll kind of see where that takes us. If we have some time, maybe read a fall story together, a Halloween story. And that will wrap it up. And then that will be the end of another week for us. So that is the plan for today. If you have any questions, if you need anything, please just let me know. And I'll see everybody soon. Can't wait.